My name is Christian Höfen. I'm the engineering leader for gas power in Switzerland. We have a lot of changes ongoing. We are exiting coal-fired power plants in a lot of countries. A lot of things turn to renewables, but we also have a couple of difficult situations with the Ukraine war, the shortage of gas availability, a couple of power stations being out of service, being on maintenance and repair. So governments are taking action to put sufficient reserve power in place so we don't have a shortage on electricity. In Birr, we are currently installing a temporary reserve power plant. Switzerland has a need for reserve power. That need has been accelerated due to the Ukraine crisis. And in Birr, we have optimal conditions to put a temporary reserve power plant in place that can dispatch electrical energy really quickly. So that's what we are doing in Birr at this point in time. Reserve power can be used in critical situations or because other sources of power are not available. So why are we using aeroderivative gas turbines? These machines, because they are coming from the aircraft industry, are very safe, very reliable, very robust, and they are not as big and heavy as power station equipment, so they are very mobile and can be put in place easily.
Some months ago, BFE actually came to us and asked whether we can support them to install a reserve power plant. Yeah, we agreed. We started with 20 people starting up that project. Soon we went up to 70 people. Today, with the site, we are at 200 people. On the peak, we expect to have 500 people working on this project.
We are very excited and very pleased with the progress we see in Birr, and we have several other projects coming up across Europe doing exactly the same.